Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 29th January. Let's start. In the year of 1528, on this day, Babur, the founder of the Mughal Empire in India, defeated Rana Sanga, the king of Mewar, and captured the fort of Chanderi. In the year of 1780, on this day, the country's first newspaper, Hicky's Bengal Gazette, and Calcutta General Advertiser was published from Kolkata. The editor of this English language newspaper was James Augustus Hickey. In the year of 1845, on this day, the Raven by Edgar Allan Poe was published for the first time. New York Evening Mirror. In the year of 1986, on this day, Carl Benz patented the first successful car powered by gasoline. In the year of 1896, on this day, Swami Pranavanand Maharaj, the founder of Bharat Seva Ashram Sangh, was born. In the year of 1916, on this day, Germany attacked France for the first time in World War I. In the year of 1921, on this day, Malik Faisal I was elected King of Iraq based on the role prepared by Britain. In the year of 1938, on this day, Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture was established. In the year of 1953, on this day, Sangeet Natak Akademi was established. In the year of 1963, on this day, Britain was denied access to the European Common Market due to French veto. In the year of 1970, on this day, Colonel Rajavardhan Singh Rathore, an Olympic medalist in shooting, was born. In the year of 1979, on this day, India's first jumbo train, two-engined train, Tamil Nadu Express, was flagged off from New Delhi station for Madras, now Chennai. In the year of 1994, on this day, the Government of India enacted the Air Corporations Transfer of Undertakings and Repeal Act 1994 to repeal the Air Corporations Act 1953. In the year of 1996, on this day, French President Jacques Chirac announced that France will no longer test nuclear weapons. In the year of 2002, on this day, US President George Bush, in his message to the nation, called Iran, Iraq, and North Korea the axis of wickedness in the world. In the year of 2002, on this day, Sarla Grewal, India's second woman officer in the Indian Administrative Service and former governor of Madhya Pradesh, passed away. In the year of 2006, on this day, Irfan Pathan, India's fast bowler, became the first bowler to take a hat-trick in the first over in Test cricket. In the year of 2010, on this day, the fifth generation ball plane being produced under a joint project of India and Russia was successfully flight tested for the first time in the far eastern part of Russia. In the year of 2021, on this day, the central government has approved the rupees 945 crore Startup India Seed Fund scheme aimed at financing startups for product testing, market penetrating, proof of concept, prototype development, and commercialization to provide assistance. The scheme was implemented by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Beating Retreat 2021 ceremony was held, marking 50 years of India's 1971 victory over Pakistan. At this year's ceremony, a new composition, Swarnim Vijay, was played to mark India's victory. This ceremony is held every year to mark the end of the Republic Day celebration. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.